Hello everybody! I finally got this Alice in Wonderland doll from the Disney Store. Alice is one of my favorite Disney characters, so I was very happy to get a Disney Alice to my collection. The packaging is really beautiful, but I couldn't see without opening it how the doll actually looks, so let's open it together. It's great if I can really keep the box, which I can. Oh, she's so pretty. She looks so beautiful. She also seems easy to get out of the carton. I have to rip the carton a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. She is from the cheaper Disney Classic collection. You also get a brush with her, as you can see. She's very pretty. I really like this doll. Her hair is hard, and so I won't use the brush right now. The shoes are very cute. The hair is, as I said, very hard, but I'm sure you can comb it out if you want to, but I don't want to ruin the hairdo. The dress is very classical. This was the first time I ordered from the Disney Store EU because I used to order from Disney Store Sweden before, but they cancelled the Disney Store Sweden, so now I have to order from EU, and it worked exceptionally fine, no problem at all. I do recommend this doll, and I'm very happy with my purchase. As you can see, the legs are not ball jointed, they are like old Barbie legs, if you say like that. I really do like this doll, and if you love Alice, it's a good purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you want to, and check out my other videos.